Ambiguous means not clear or having more than one meaning. When something is ambiguous, people can understand it in different ways. In simple words, ambiguous equals not clear and confusing. A sentence, word, or situation is ambiguous when it is not clear what it really means. Different people understand it differently. Ambiguous things can cause confusion and misunderstanding. His answer was ambiguous. The teacher gave an ambiguous instruction. The sign is ambiguous. Her message sounded ambiguous. The question was ambiguous and hard to answer. Ambiguous messages can confuse people. Ambiguous rules are difficult to follow. Clear language is better than ambiguous language. The exam question was ambiguous, so I got confused. Ambiguous equals not clear, many meanings.